Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, so in previous lesson we learned some fruits names in Urdu. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always go in the description of this video and watch lesson 17. Alright, now let's begin with today's lesson. In previous lessons, we learned counting from 1 to 20. In today's lesson, we are going to learn counting further in Urdu, and that is from 21 to 25. Alright, now let's begin. So, in English, we say 21, and in Urdu, it is 21. 21. Then in English, we say 22. And in Urdu it is 22. 22. Then in English we say 23 and in Urdu it is 23. 23. Then in English we say 24 and in Urdu it is 24. 24. Then in English we say 25 and in Urdu it is 25. Now let's repeat one more time. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25. Now let's rhyme and learn.
21, 22, 24, 25. 21, 22, 24, 25. 21, 22, 24, 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 21, 22, 24, 25.
Now repeat many times for practice. Now let's learn some vegetable names in Urdu. Are you ready? Okay, now let's see. These are onions. And in Urdu, pyaz. Pyaz. Onion, pyaz. Now these are potatoes. Potatoes, aloo. Potatoes, aloo. Then this is tomato. Tomato, and in Urdu, tomatar. Tomatar. Now let's repeat one more time. Onion, pyaz, potato, aloo, tomato, tomatar. Now let's learn some more. Peas, and in Urdu, matar. Carrot, in Urdu, gajar. Radish, and in Urdu, mooli. Let's repeat one more time. Peas, matar, carrot, gajar, radish, mooli. Repeat many times for practice, alright? Okay, so you remember we say is for singular things, and in Urdu we say hai for singular things. Also in English we say are for plurals or more than one things, and in Urdu we say hai for plural or more than one things. Do remember this, okay? Alright, so this is the end of our lesson. I'll be seeing you again into the next lesson. Do watch this lesson again. Repeat many times for practice. All right. Take care. Allah Hafiz.